Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get and install VMware Workstation. Now open Google and search for VMware Workstation. Go to the VMware page. When you click download on the website, you'll need to create a Broadcom account or just log in if you already have one. At the top of this page, you'll see a link that says free software download available here. Click here. Find VMware Workstation Pro and click it. Select Windows and choose the newest version. Before you can download it, you need to check I agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you can click in the box. And now we can download the .exe file. Now run the .exe file. I'll speed up the VMware Workstation installation process. Now it's time to open VMware Workstation. And from here, you can build your very first virtual machine. That's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next.